Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours chart of AUD CAD. As we all know, market was extremely volatile this week. Market currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD saw some heavy selling pressure, and currency pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF saw big buying pressure. Market became very volatile after the FOMC meeting when dollar got extremely strong. Okay. And I have already shown in my other videos uh, the chart of US dollar, and this is the reason. Okay, this is the reason why market became very volatile, because this is a daily chart and you can see how big these candles are. Okay, because overall the trend of the market is towards the downside. Okay, market was down, market was bearish. Okay, but right now things have changed in this particular week. Okay, so this is the reason market became very volatile. Okay, but unlike the other currency pairs, AUD CAD did not see any extreme volatility or extreme turmoil. Okay, and overall the strength of AUD or Australian dollar was also weak in comparison to other currencies, because see, this is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart of currency strength meter, and you can see that weekly chart is also telling us the same story. Unlike other currencies, AUD was quite weak. AUD and NZD were weaker currencies. Okay, and as a result, okay, we did not see any volatility as well. And you can see that okay, this currency pair is still trading in a particular range right now. Okay, so and if I zoom out the chart, you can see that the trend of the market is still towards the downside. Market is still bearish, and right now market is trading in a particular range here. Okay, so overall the trend of the market is still towards the downside, but right now market is caught in a range. And as we all know, okay, for a trend reversal we need a V pattern. Okay, and still we do not have the V pattern here. Therefore, until and unless market gives us a V pattern, okay, we cannot consider this that there is any trend reversal. Okay, and there is no point of consider this as a buying market. Okay, and if I take you to the weekly time frame, let me remove the drawings here. You can see that the weekly time frame is also telling us the same story. Okay, this this, can you see this red candle? Okay, market formed this red candle in the third week of February. Okay, since third week of Feb, market is in downtrend. Okay. Market took support at this price level. I have already explained in my videos. Okay, and then market tried to go up, but still the buying pressure is missing in the market. Still, Australian dollar does not have the strength to take the price upward, to give us a V formation so that we get the confirmation that yes, we can go for buying order. Still, the market is under the influence of sellers. That is the main point here. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? Okay. Overall, the trend of the market is towards the downside, but as I've already mentioned, and as you can clearly see on the screen, market is caught in a range here. Okay. And whenever a market trades in a particular range, or market is in sideways, we get trading opportunities on both the sides, which means that when market will hit the support zone, a support level, we can go for buying opportunities. And when market will hit the resistance zone and market will reverse from the resistance, we can short the market. You can see that I have got 4 lines here. Okay. Let me explain one by one. Okay. So first of all, First of all, this level is extremely important for you. Okay, this is the support for the market, or the extreme support to 0.9260. Because this support level also belongs to the weekly chart, the time frame of the big boy. So in case market comes down to this particular support level, then just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that price has taken support at this level and market is about to reverse or bounce from this level, then you will get the confirmation that yes, this support level from the weekly chart is strong. Buyers are there in the market and they will not allow the sellers to cross this particular level, and you can go for buy if market reverses. On the other hand, as we have one extreme support, we have also extreme resistance here. 0.9393. This is the resistance. Okay. When market will go up, or if market goes up and hit this resistance level, then just observe the price again. As a trader, yes, observation is extremely important. Okay. Everybody knows about technical analysis. Everybody knows that we need to short the market, where we need to buy. Okay. But observation is the thing that most of the traders do not know. Okay, they do not focus on observation. As a result, they end up losing money. So when market will hit the resistance level, then just observe. Okay, observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance, price is not unable, price does not have the power to cross the resistance, then you will get the confirmation that yes, resistance is strong and market will not be able to cross it. Once you get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star pattern or price rejection from above, you can short the market. Okay. But remember, confirmation is important. If market reverses, then only short the market. So these are the two best opportunities or levels for you right now. Okay. These two levels. And you can see that I have also got two lines here. Okay. So these two lines are, if you want to trade, if you are a beginner, then I'll say that you just trade. If you want to trade on AUDCAD, then just keep your eyes on this resistance level and this support level. You do not need to trade on this level. Okay, this level are for somewhat experienced traders. Okay, who wants to trade. Okay, when market will cross this range here. Right now, you can see that market during the last trading session, market was trading in a tight range here. Okay, if someone wants to trade above this range, they can go for a buy order if market crosses this level or this range here. Okay, and if market crosses this level, you can short the market also. But honestly speaking, okay, looking at the present condition of the market, looking at the overall forex market, there are extremely good opportunities available, plenty of opportunities available. You do not need to trade on a currency pairs like this or a trade setup like this. Okay, so if you want to avoid this formation right here, you can just avoid and just keep your eyes either on this resistance level and this support level. Okay, apart from these two levels, you do not need to focus anywhere. If you are a scalper, if you know scalping, if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for months and years, then you can go for a buy order if market crosses this level, or you can short the market if market crosses this level. If you do not want to trade, you can avoid. Personally, I'll also not trade. I'll avoid this range. Okay, I'll only trade here and here. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All of us, take care. See ya on Monday.